Good morning and happy Monday. I hope you all are having a great start to your week. I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you how to use IXL. First thing you're going to do is log into your Clever account. It will look something like this. You probably won't have as many apps as I do, but you'll still have some apps in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on IXL, and it will take you to a screen that looks similar to this. From here, in order to do the lessons that I want you to do, you're going to go to Learning. And then you'll have a screen like this. You can look at all of the skills for each grade. Okay? But for what I'm assigning this week, you are going to go to OK Standards right here. And all the standards for pre-K through high school are going to pop up. You'll see them, the different subjects as well. So I'm going to be assigning you different standards. If you are in second grade, I will be assigning you first grade standards. If you are in kindergarten, I will be assigning you pre-K standards. If you're in pre-K, you're going to be doing pre-K standards. So, for instance, if I say I want you to do pk.n.1, that means you're going to go to pre-K, you're going to go to math, and you're going to do all of the lessons underneath that standard. Okay, for fourth grade, if I wanted you to do math standards 4.n.1, you're going to do all of the standards that fall under 4.n.1. That's a lot. I will not assign all of those at once. Okay, so in order to actually do a lesson, you will click on the lesson and you will start the lesson. It will start giving you questions. So I'm going to go ahead and answer. That's right. So far I have a score of 10. This tells me what my score is over here. I want you to get up to an 80%, okay? So it's asking me another question, and my score went up to 19. So you're going to keep going until this says 80 or higher. If you want to get to 100%, that is wonderful, but I just need you to get up to 80. Once you get up to 80, then you are finished with that lesson and you may move on. If you have any questions about this, please let me know, and I look forward to a great week. Have a good one.